Hi guys, in this new video I'm going to share to all of you on how to download the beta profile for iOS 15 for free on any iOS device. But before I proceed, hi, my name is JC, and if this is your first time here in my channel and you want more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing by clicking subscribe and bell icon so you won't miss anything of my future uploads. And without further ado, let's start. Just before you proceed, just make sure to back up your Apple device or iOS device before doing this process, so you can go back to your files later on if anything happens while downloading the beta profile. So as you can see, the Apple WWDC has just finished today, and the supported devices for iOS 15 are still the same from what are the supported devices on iOS 14. So those who are using iPhone 6s, 6s Plus, and iPhone SE, the first generation, are still supported in this new iOS version. So congratulations. So as you can see, I'm backing up my iOS device right now. That is why it is still this looping logo above on my notification bar. So let's just wait until my backup of my iPhone is finished. So once you back up your iOS device, now go to this site which is called betaprofiles.com. Tap this, or all links will be in the description box below. So if you're having a thought of accessing it while watching this video, you can do it right now. So tap it again. Now once in the site, scroll down until you see this iOS 15 download. Now tap install profile. Tap install anyways. So once you see this, tap allow, close. Now go to settings, tap this profile downloaded. Since my iPhone is jailbroken, I remove the jailbreak first before doing this. So if you cannot access that, go to general, scroll down until you see this profile section here. Tap iOS 15 beta profile or software profile. Tap install. Input your passcode. Tap install. Hit install. Tap restart. Okay, once finished, input your passcode again. Now go to settings. Go to general. Tap software update. As you can see, the iOS 15 beta or developer beta is now here. Now tap install, download and install. Tap download and install. Input your passcode again, and it will now proceed to downloading the developer beta. So just a reminder, downloading this beta software is dependent on your internet connection. So if your internet is not that fast enough, you may encounter a longer waiting time downloading this software. Also, do this on your own discretion. I will not be liable on anything that will happen on your iOS device. So once the software is finished downloading, tap install now. Input your passcode again. And let's just wait until the software is installed on my device, or your device rather. So once the update is finished, tap input your Apple ID. Okay, so if we go to settings, go to general, about. As you can see, we're now on iOS 15, and despite of all the features that they've introduced earlier at the WWDC, some of the features such as the live text is not featured on the older devices such as the iPhone 8 or older. So the evident changes that I've observed before doing this video is on Safari, you have new design. So as you can see, this bar is now on the lower side compared before on iOS 14, which is on the upper side of the browser. Next is the weather app. As you can see, the design is revamped. It is more, what you call this, it is more laid out compared to the simpler type of weather app on the previous iOS versions. As you can see, um, the the cards here are very precise in terms of showcasing the detailed ways on how or what will be the weather on the next few days on my city. As you can see, the temperature, we have UV index, and other types of weather indicators. Also, the widgets here, as you can see, is more of like a revamp of the iOS 14. So if we go to edit, tap design, as you can see, widgets here are almost the same from the iOS 14. Some of them are just a improved version of what we've seen on the initial version of the widgets on the iOS 14. Also, in addition, we have a new wallpaper here. It is only one. I think with the next versions of iOS 15, there will be an additional wallpapers because that's what Apple do. I think in the midway of iOS 15, there will be introductions of new wallpapers. Again, um, if you think or you just want to try this new iOS version, you can try it on your own. But for this one, I think this initial version is still buggy, and I think it is not for prime time use yet. But for now, if you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe on my channel. This is me again, JC. Thank you, and see you in my next video.